With MOVOX, you can set up a personal voicemail message on your phone or a group voicemail message for your team or department. You can even set up voicemail messages for business hours, after hours or holidays. To set up your personal voicemail, press the message button on your phone or dial *97, then enter your voicemail number, usually your extension number, followed by the hash button. A voice prompt will then guide you through the voicemail setup. Or subscribe to one of our professionally recorded message and greetings plans, and we'll upload the message for you. When someone leaves you a voicemail message, we'll send it to your email. To listen to your voicemail message, open the .wav file attached to the email and press play. Your phone may also have a flashing light or icon on the screen, indicating you have a new voicemail message. You can listen to messages, save them, delete them, and update your voicemail greeting by accessing your voicemail box. To access your voicemail box, simply press the message button on your phone or dial *97 followed by your voicemail number and the hash key. MOVOX, we've got everyone talking.